Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. So today we are in the bathroom of a hotel room. We're actually in Vegas right now and I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. We're only staying in this room for one night and then we're heading out. So we're kind of in a rush. So I'm gonna show you my just quick vacation little get ready with me, and today's video is sponsored by Origins. I'm going to be showing you how I've been incorporating their Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer in my little vacation routine. I think I'm also going to show you like an outfit picture, just me getting ready for the day really quick. So I hope you guys are excited for this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I literally just got out of bed because we're about to actually check out because we're going to a different hotel. We weren't expecting to come today. Sorry if there's like an echo in here, but we weren't supposed to come today. So we stood in this place for one night, and then the rest of the 5 nights we're gonna be staying somewhere else. So I gotta kind of get ready quick. You should see what I have my tripod sitting on right now. I have the trash can upside down, and then I have the ice holder upside down, and then I have my tripod sitting on top of it. I did bring my other tripod, but I forgot one of the pieces that actually holds the camera in place. So you gotta do what you gotta do. By the way, I washed my face with my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. First though, I gotta brush my teeth. Then for my new Origins moisturizer, this one has bamboo charcoal and it also has 1% salicylic acid. So this one here doesn't do anything really for breakouts, whereas this one does. It helps to actively reduce breakouts and to prevent them. And this one right here literally just launched, so you can find it on the Origins website. It retails for $34. Or you can find it online on Ulta or in store at Ulta as well. I will also have a link for you guys to shop it, very easy, down below in the description box. So let me show you how I like to use these two here. So first I will take a little bit of the Origins Clear Improvement. I've been using this one. I got this like last week, so I've been kind of testing it these past few days to see how I like to use it, and I finally found a way that is perfect for me. So I do have larger pores around, or you can kind of see a little bit right here. I have larger pores usually around here, and that's where I mainly get a lot of my breakouts, like right here. You can kind of see here. So that's where I apply this moisturizer. I will put it right in the center, not all over, just here. You could use it all over for it. You could use it all over though, is what I meant to say. So you can see my skin does look hydrated and nice and glowy. So I just kind of tap it in place right there. And I used to break out under here really bad, and that's kind of where my skin was going through that really bad phase, and I just felt, I don't know, I felt really uncomfortable walking around with like no makeup, stuff like that. That's when my skin was just really bad. But now that my skin's clearing up, I just feel so much more like confident, I guess. Like I just feel so much better. I will walk out with like no makeup nowadays and not even care. But I think it all starts like with good skincare, and then with good nutrition, of course, when it comes to skin and stuff like that. But just a little pep talk there. But once that is nice and pressed into the skin, the last step that I like to do, especially on vacation, I do this all the time, but I always make sure to put extra when I'm on vacation. And I've been really good with this part, and that's using some sunscreen. I used to be really bad with this, but I've gotten so much better, and I go in. I do a lot of sunscreen. I actually brought four different sunscreens to this trip: 2 spray-on ones, 1 face one, and 1 cream body one. Like, it's that real. That's pretty much everything I do for the skincare part. Especially on vacation, I keep it to a minimum, but in general my skin likes more minimal skincare and not, you know, piling on stuff. So we'll leave it at that, and then we can move on to makeup. I'm kind of debating on if I should make this a talk through or if I should just kind of speed it up, because we gotta check out in 20 minutes and we still have to put our stuff away. So I think I'm just gonna do this part more sped up because we are in a rush, but I will put all the products below in the description box. Really quick, this is my outfit. My top is from Cotton On. My shorts are Levi's, and then my shoes, I always get questions on these shoes. These are from H&M. I think they're like under $20, but we're just gonna head out to the strip and probably do some shopping. So I wanted to do more of like a little casual outfit. If I can find everything, I'll also link it below so you guys can shop it. Okay, so that is my quick little vacation. Get ready with me. I will have all the products listed down below for you guys to check out, including the makeup that I did today, and of course the Origins moisturizer will also be linked down below for you guys to shop. Again, a huge thank you to Origins for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.
Hey guys, so I'm doing my intro to my coconut milk nourishing shampoo for my hair. Okay, see how my hair looks right now? It's nourished and it's milky.
And it's coconutty.
It's coconutty. Okay, and now my outro is see you guys next time.
Say los quiero mucho.
Oh, yeah, some.
Right here. Why do you always blink so much?
Because I'm gonna pluck my eye out.
Then just close them, baby.
What?
I know, I'm like, just close it back.
Los quiero mucho.
Yeah. And I'll see you next video.
See you in the next video, guys.